guys, I'm Ortal from Khaleesi and today we will learn how to optimize your Google My Business profile using Google My Business Analytics. In previous lessons, we learned how to set up Google My Business profile, how to create posts, how to build website, and how to upload images of your products and services. It's lesson number 2 of 3 lessons. Make sure you visit my channel for additional lessons. Today we will learn how to analyze data on Google My Business via Google My Business Analytics. We will learn your client's direction request location, what are your busy hours, how many times per day customers call your business, time of day customers call your business, visit duration of your clients. With Google My Business, you can discover your client's direction request location. Knowing your client's direction request location can help you to grow your business with valuable clients. Grow your clientele with paid advertisement. Knowing your customer direction request location can help you to target your customers by location. If you're looking to open another store or make a delivery, check location insights. Looking for customer direction request location can give you an idea of customers' demands for your product or service in specific location. Let's discover from Google My Business Analytics what are your busy hours and visit duration of your clients. Let's take a look at real data. Pick the day and discover your busy hours. This is my client's business. Here I choose Friday and Saturday. Note that busy hours on Friday are different from busy hours on Saturday. Use Google Insights to prepare for your busy hours. You also can discover visit duration of your clients. Average visit to this business lasts 2.5 hours. Discover how many times per day customers call your business. Google My Business can track phone calls of your clients to your business. You can slice the data by quarter, by month, by specific day or day of week. Use phone call report to measure busy day of week. You also can measure total calls per month or per quarter, depends how you slice it. Another report can show you time of day customers call your business. Use this report to check total calls per slice and busy hours per slice. For instance, in this report, I sliced it by 1 quarter. In 1 quarter, I had about 900 calls and busy hours of this business from 9 till 3 p.m. Let's summarize what we learned today in this lesson. With Google My Business, you can get prepared for busy days and hours using call reports. You can get specific information how and when your customers interact with your listing. And we learn how to use the data in insights of Google My Business to inform your decisions about making changes to your listing or updating your advertisement. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to learn more how to advertise your business, visit my channel and subscribe. If you need any assistance or professional help, feel free to contact Khaleesi Media. See you next videos. Bye guys!